Hard work is the cornerstone of success. Every challenge you face and every obstacle you overcome is a step towards achieving your goals. Remember, persistence and dedication turn effort into results. Stay focused, push through the tough times, and know that every ounce of hard work brings you closer to your dreams. Your commitment today shapes the victories of tomorrow. Keep going. You've got this.